Please don't tell me you're worried about me, too.
No, I just wanted to watch the trial. I heard the prosecutor was something special.
That's odd. Why are they bringing him in through the front entrance?
Everybody get down!
Hey, Dad. Sorry I'm late, but you're a hard man to track down. But it's fitting that you came back to Starling, where it all began. Where you killed Michael.
You know, I almost feel sorry for you.
Helena. Stop this.
Oliver, you know I can't.
Well, what are you waiting for? I said, what are you waiting for?
Helena Bertinelli, put down your weapons and place your hands above your head.
So this is a big trap. With you as the bait. What do they offer you?
They didn't have to offer me anything.
Give up, Miss Bertinelli. The building is surrounded.
What was it you always taught me, Daddy? Be prepared for anything. Take hostages and fall back.
Hey, hold your fire! Hold your fire! They have hostages! Hold fire. Say again, hold fire. They're taking hostages. Where's Locke? Where's Locke? Is she with you?
Sorry, Mr. Lester, we got separated. She's still inside.
We are live outside the Starling City Courthouse where Helena Bertinelli and an unknown number of assailants seized control of the entire building. And I'm now being told they are holding a number of hostages inside.
I want snipers with thermals on top of every building for a 2-block radius.
This was not how it was supposed to go down, Captain. You promised me there wouldn't be any casualties.
Your idea, huh? You son of a bitch.
My daughter's in there! What do you guys think? You put those innocent lives at risk?
Listen, I was following orders.
Orders?
Miss Bertinelli, no one has to die today.
My father does. And unless you hand him over to me, I'm gonna start killing hostages.